You know, sometimes we get tired or exhausted of something. What should we say? If you are sad or upset about something, you can use so many fabulous phrases in English. In this video, I'm going to tell you so many ways to say I am sad. So stay with me up until the end. Now, without further ado, let's watch it, learn it. Number 1 is I am under the weather. It means you feel slightly unwell or in low spirits. For an example, she felt under the weather when they told her that she didn't get the job.
He's under the weather a little bit.
Well, I'm afraid she's feeling a little under the weather.
No, I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
I'm still feeling under the weather, but I'm here.
Number 2 is I feel blue. It means I feel sad. For an example, he has been feeling blue since he had a big accident with his car.
Sometimes I just feel blue.
I feel blue.
Sometimes you feel blue.
I know I'm green, but I feel blue.
Number 3 is I am in low spirits. It means I feel unhappy. Like all of my friends were in low spirit because of the rainy day. Number 4 is I'm fed up. I'm fed up. You know, when you are fed up, you are angry or tired of something. For an example, I am fed up with all these lies.
He says he's fed up.
He's fed up with you. Fed up.
Shall I continue with the next phrase? It is I'm broken up over this. When you feel emotionally sad, you can say, I'm broken up over this. For an example, you shouted at me and I am really broken up over this.
Oh, your mom is so broken up over this loss.
You know, he seems really broken up over this whole thing.
Broken up over her.
Number 6 is this shattered me. This shattered me. When you are exhausted or tired of something, you can say this shattered me. Like her impolite behavior at the party shattered me. The next one is I feel pathetic. I feel pathetic. When you say you are pathetic, you feel impatient and angry because someone is not very good at something. For an example, I saw my dog felt pathetic after barking for 15 minutes.
Don't you feel pathetic?
You're pathetic, Griffin! Pathetic!
Sometimes I feel pathetic too.
And number 8, I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated. It means I am disappointed or discouraged. Like after my 3rd failure at the game, my father was a bit frustrated.
I'm frustrated.
I'm not frustrated.
Frustrated, Diego.
George is getting frustrated.
And the last but not least, I feel gloomy. I feel gloomy. It means you're not in the mood. For an example, sorry, last night I felt a little gloomy and I couldn't come to your party. Or another example, she felt gloomy because of her loss.
You know how I feel, Daria. You're gloomy.
Oh, gloomy and sad.
I mean, you're used to being all gloomy.
Okay guys, now it's your turn. Make more examples with these phrases and comment them right down below. I will read all of your sentences and give you feedbacks. And if you have other more questions, you can ask me. I will read all of your feedbacks and answer your questions. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you will get notified every time I post a new lesson. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.